In today's video, I'll be showing you how to wipe the cache partition on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G. So the first step is to enter recovery mode, and to do this, switch off your device. And once your device has been turned off, ensure that you have a computer close by. It can be a Windows PC or a MacBook or any sort of computer you wish to use. And also ensure that you have a data cable. Next, use the cable to connect your phone to the computer. And once the charging animation appears, then the next step is press on the side key and the volume up button simultaneously to enter recovery mode. So side key, volume up, long press, ignore the charging animation, and then keep pressing until you see the Samsung logo. Then you can let go of the buttons. Once the recovery mode menu loads, now use the volume down button and scroll or keep pressing until you see wipe cache partition has been highlighted. To select this option, press on the side key and then select yes. Then at the bottom, you should see cache wipe complete. And then to exit recovery mode, select the option reboot system now and restart your device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.